Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. I hope everybody's doing fine. So today I wanted to revisit this painting. I made it in a previous video and it didn't come out as I expected, and I figured out why. Because in my last the one I used as inspiration, I put down the metallics first and then started swiping on top, and I didn't get the really bright colors, but also not the stripy parts, and I'm not in love with the stripy parts. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to just swipe all over it again, and I have no plan. I'm just gonna do what feels good, and we'll see what the outcome will be. I'm probably just gonna be fast forwarding you through this part because it's gonna take a while. Last time it took me about 45 minutes, so I'm not gonna bore you with all the details. So just sit back. I'm gonna put a little bit of music on and watch me swipe. I think it's an improvement. It's not what I wanted, but I want to see how it dries, and then I can always do another layer if I need to. So I'll show you the dry results. Thanks for watching, guys.